Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we show you how to easily set up the Tenda N301 as a Wi-Fi repeater. Whether you're using the manual method or the WPS setup, this step-by-step guide will help extend your Wi-Fi range in no time. Perfect for boosting your internet signal in areas with weak coverage. Follow along to improve your home network. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. Inside the Tenda N301 box, you'll find the N301 wireless router, a power adapter, and an Ethernet cable for wired connections. The box also includes a quick installation guide to help you with setup. Everything you need to get started with extending your Wi-Fi is included, making it easy to set up right out of the box. So let's start the setup process. Plug the Tenda N301 into a power outlet using the provided adapter. Wait for the indicator lights to stabilize. Connect to the Tenda N301's Wi-Fi using a mobile device or computer. The default SSID, Wi-Fi name, is usually printed on the bottom of the router, and no password is required initially. On the device connected to the Tenda N301, either wired or wirelessly, open a browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Enter the IP address. Type 192.168.0.1 into the address bar and press Enter. This IP address is used to access the Tenda N301's configuration page. Login credentials, you'll be prompted for a username and password. The default credentials are username, admin password, admin. These details are often printed on the bottom or back of the router if different. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Look for a tab or section named Wireless, Advanced Settings, or Repeater. Find the Repeater option. In the Wireless or Operating Mode settings, look for an option labeled Repeater or WISP, Wireless ISP. If you see WISP mode, choose Universal Repeater mode, which allows the router to connect to an existing Wi-Fi network and extend it. If you only see Repeater, select it, as it serves a similar function. Once you've selected Repeater mode, the Tenda N301 will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. This process might take a few seconds. From the list, select the Wi-Fi network, SSID, of your primary router that you want to extend. After selecting your network, you'll need to enter the Wi-Fi password of your main router to connect successfully. Double-check that the password is correct, as an incorrect entry will prevent the connection. You can choose to keep the same Wi-Fi name as your primary router, for seamless roaming between areas, or set a different SSID for the Tenda N301. After entering all necessary details, click Save or Apply to save the settings. Wait for the router to reboot. The Tenda N301 will reboot automatically to apply the changes. This process may take a minute or two. Reconnect to the network. After the reboot, your devices should automatically reconnect to the extended Wi-Fi signal. If not, manually reconnect using the SSID and password you configured earlier. Now your setup process is successfully complete. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.